The Jordan River water package from the Terra Santa Collection is one of our best-selling products. The packet contains a bottle of pure Jordan River water and a luxurious baptism certificate. The Jordan River water bottle is decorated with a see-through colored scene of the baptism of Christ by St. John the Baptist. The package dimensions are 6 by 4 by 17 centimeters. And the bottle dimension, including the cross, are 16.5 centimeters high and 3.5 centimeters in diameter. The basic package is available in English and Spanish, but it is also available in Italian, German, Portuguese, Greek, and French. As you can see, the cap can be removed to reveal a special seal that assures that not even one of the precious drops will be lost. The Jordan River water can be used for baptism or to be part, if only for a short while, of the Holy Jordan River. Here you can see the seal. And the package comes in English and Spanish, as you can see here. Here is a small map of the Holy Land. Could be put upon a window sill so you can see the crystal clear bottle. Each package arrives with a luxurious diploma of baptism, which is an official baptism certificate. It has a place to fill in the child's name, the date of birth, and the godfather and godmother's name. It also certifies the Holy Land origin, approved by a large church in the Holy Land. It is in English on one side and Spanish on the other side.